Hello, it's Phil Thatch, and Heather, my girlfriend who's here with me, just went to Austin, Texas, and she stayed in the Hyatt Regency right on the Colorado River. And I asked her while she was down there to please make a room tour for the channel. So without further ado, here's Heather's room tour.
So recently I went on a business trip to Austin, Texas, and I stayed in room 510 at the Hyatt Regency, and I'm going to take you on a quick tour of this room. When you step inside, there's a small kind of entryway, and here we have a coffee maker with different blends of Starbucks coffee, some creamer, a couple bottles of water, and an ice bin. Got some pretty cool artwork as well. Now when you walk right in the door, if you turn to your left, there is a closet here. Just has your typical stuff, hangers, there's an ironing board, a robe, some extra bedding, and a lockbox as well. When you turn to the right after walking in the door, you have the restroom. So standard toilet, this really nice sink, and this very, very well lit mirror. And then we have some cool artwork over there, a nice makeup mirror, all the toiletries you need. And down here we have the iron and a hair dryer, and there's some more towels and a bath mat down here. The shower is a decent sized walk-in shower. Very nice. I've not had the opportunity to test the water pressure or water temperature yet, but it is very clean, and I look forward to seeing how the water pressure is. Now, as we walk past this entryway, you open up into the main bedroom. This is a single king-size bed. Now, on the left of the entryway, we have this really nice floor-length mirror. Step in a little further, there's a large working area for anyone who might be doing stuff for work or is traveling for business. It's a nice place to set up and use your laptop. We have a very nice sized LG TV as well. Further down, just some nice lamps and lighting for someone who might want to work in this station. Here's another lamp. By the window, we have this nice little sofa seating area that's right by the main window. And I'll show you the view from this window once the lights are turned off and you can actually see better outside. There is another lamp there by that small seating area. Nice artwork all around. Very music themed, which makes sense for Austin. In the nightstands, we have these nice kind of dim lights that you could use at night if you wanted to read or something. And then here we do have regular plugs and USB plugs as well. I also discovered in the nightstand, I showed you this light up here. There's actually another, if I were to just pull this out, that you can rotate and just have more of a spotlight if you wanted to read or do some work in the bed at night. The same thing is true of the nightstand on the other side of the bed. And moving again to the right, here's another nice lamp and a small chest of drawers, a place to store your clothing. The area above the bed, like the top of the headboard here, illuminates, and you can turn that off using this switch here. And I've turned all the lights off in the room so you can see the view. It's a very, very nice view of downtown Austin. It's a bit dark, the sun just set. You can see the Colorado River. There are a lot of kayakers and boaters coming down this river. It's It's a fantastic view. Overall, I'm very pleased with this room. It's got some really nice accommodations, and look forward to staying in it for a couple of nights. Thanks so much for watching this quick review of the Hyatt in downtown Austin. If you are looking to stay at this hotel, I think you will enjoy it a lot.